Hello everyone. Today we're going to delve into the details of an iconic car in the world of automotive enthusiasts, the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. This vehicle represents the pinnacle of Japanese engineering and performance. So let's take an in-depth look at the history and technical specifications of this unique automobile. The Nissan Skyline GTR series made its debut back in 1969, capturing the attention of performance enthusiasts right from the start. However, the R34 perhaps stands out as one of the most legendary models in the series. It's a car that has left an indelible mark on automotive history. The R34's exterior design is a blend of aerodynamic precision and aggressive styling. Its sleek lines and distinctive quad-circle tail lights give it a unique and unmistakable presence on the road. The rear wing, known as the Nismo wing, not only adds to the car's visual appeal, but also provides essential downforce for improved stability at high speeds. Under the hood, the R34 is powered by the legendary RB26 DET engine. This 2.6-litre twin-turbo inline-six engine is capable of producing around 280 horsepower, although many owners have pushed it well beyond that mark with aftermarket modifications. The R34's all-wheel drive system, combined with its advanced ATISA ETS Pro system, ensures that power is delivered to the wheels effectively, providing incredible traction and control. Inside, the R34 boasts a driver-focused cockpit with well-bolstered seats, a sporty steering wheel, and a comprehensive set of gauges. Despite its performance-oriented nature, it also offers modern conveniences, including air conditioning, power windows, and an advanced audio system. The Nissan Skyline GTR R34 has left an enduring legacy not only on the racetrack, but also in pop culture. It gained international fame through appearances in various video games, movies, and television shows, solidifying its status as a true automotive icon. In conclusion, the Nissan Skyline GTR R34 is more than just a car. It's a symbol of Japanese engineering excellence and a testament to the passion of automotive enthusiasts worldwide. Its blend of performance, style, and cultural significance makes it a timeless classic that will continue to be cherished by generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the history and features of the Nissan Skyline GTR R34. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more content on legendary automobiles like this one. And as always, leave your thoughts and comments down below. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate about cars.